Blessed, you know it's Rastafari Soldier, and I'm still here in St. Elizabeth, Cornwall District, Cornwall, PO, St. Elizabeth. And before I left, I was experimenting to see, you know, what I could get out of a little pumpkin patch that I plant inside. And just wanted you to take a look. I know it's a little bit close, but it's my pumpkin that I'm about to harvest. I'm about to pick this pumpkin, you know, and go cook it. There's the plant, pumpkin plant. Got a lot of bush in here, so, you know, it kind of suffered. But, you know, pumpkin was resilient. There's another one right over here. You know, beautiful pumpkin. As a matter of fact, let me pick one for you and show you. Yeah. Let me set my camera right here real quick and pick one and show it to you. Yeah, let's just break it off the vine. And here it is. A beautiful, beautiful pumpkin. I mean, this is magical. Really. St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Yeah. Planted in December, January last year before I fly up to foreign. You know, leave a little drip irrigation on it. And you see what I have? One big pumpkin here. Let me see if I'm gonna go ahead and snatch the other one, because I'm gonna give it to my cousin. Because I think he's the one that gave me a piece of pumpkin. And I'll grab the next one. See, here's the other one. Yeah. Beautiful color on the pumpkin. Look at that. Look at the color. My gosh. It's beautiful. I just love farming everywhere I go. And you'll see me all over the world. Farming right now. St. Elizabeth. This is what I want to do. I want to see if I can put it up to my head. Both of them. See? Yeah, it's going to take a little skill. Boom. Yeah. It's Rastafari Soldier. Yeah. The Crocus bag farmer. Showing you some beautiful, beautiful. Look at the color on that pumpkin. Wow. Isn't it beautiful? This one has a little purple in it. Never seen it like this beautiful. Nice color. See? And I'm on a full joy of this pumpkin. Blessed, yeah, if you're seeing this, you're tuned in to Deep Roots TV. If you're seeing it in another location, check out my YouTube channel, Deep Roots TV. It is the Crocus Bag Farmer. I'm here in Jamaica in a little indoor nursery I'm going to start setting up right now. I've been trying the indoor nursery a lot, but because I'm in school abroad right now, you know, and it's just difficult. Sometimes I do get lucky, like with this beautiful variety of flora right here. Look at it. Nice. It's just beautiful. This is a nice high color that can bring out your gardening at any location, anytime. It's just bright and just vibrant. Now, over here I had some flower pots, and when I came back, wow, the weeds and the wisps and the grass grew so quick. I'm gonna clean it out tomorrow, and then I'm gonna give you a better look at it. Here it is. These are some soursop tree. I have a beautiful, beautiful breadfruit tree right there. Beautiful breadfruit tree. Beautiful. And then a lot of little sweet sop popping up. But like I said, you know, I'm very proud of this. I actually brought these palm seeds, and I'm trying to catch a palm here for my property. So tomorrow I'll clean it out. I have some oranges over there. Yeah, they survived the mayhem. Some oranges over there. And you know, I've been growing these oranges from seeds, but because again, the lack of care. But right now, I'm gonna take care of them, at least for the next few weeks while I'm here. School start back January 8th. Look out for me on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. Like I said, right now, I'm a little bit dirty, looking a little bit weird, sweaty. Yeah, it's Rastafari Soldier. Like I said, you know, I'm now in Jamaica, right here in the CBF building. This is the Crocus Bag Farmer building, the actual factory location that's starting to build up the factory, so we could actually do our packaging and shipping out of this location, out of Jamaica, Cornwall District, Cornwall PO, St. Elizabeth. So it's a lot of things in the making. So people, continue tuning in. Go to my GoFundMe page and donate. GoFundMe. Go to Delroy Renton page. It's called the Jamaican International Cultivator. Sorry. Go to my YouTube page, Deep Roots TV. Leave some comments right now. I'm sweaty and dirty. Go to my Facebook, Delroy Renton. Yeah, you see me? I yard me there. You see me? All right. Now you see me. Now you don't. See you later. Remember to subscribe to the channel. Again, it's the Crocus Bag Farmer. Yeah, right down here in Jamaica. Bless up yourself.